I'm about to install CachyOS with KDE Plasma. It comes with the Calamares installer, which makes the whole setup super easy and beginner-friendly. I picked the KDE Plasma edition, so it comes with the usual KDE apps right out of the box. But don't worry, it's not bloated at all. It includes just the essentials like Firefox, Kate, and GwenView, everything you actually need, nothing more. Now, let's talk looks. CachyOS comes packed with some really sleek, eye-pleasing wallpapers. I'm picking the purple one, it just looks awesome. Time to fire up the Alacrity terminal. And right out of the gate, it greets you with a clean system overview, kind of like Neo Fetch. By default, it's running the 6.16.0-5 CachyOS kernel, so you're getting the latest and greatest under the hood. And then there's Dolphin, the file manager. Honestly, it's one of the best out there, smooth, fast, and packed with features. Now, here's something I really like, the CachyOS Package Manager. It's a GUI-based tool that makes installing and removing software a breeze. Let's check out what's under the Games section. Look at that! Super TuxKart and even Zonotic are available. There's also the CachyOS Kernel Manager, which is super handy. You can view your current kernel and switch between others with just a few clicks. And if you're a gamer, there's a game controller tool that helps you set up and integrate your controller seamlessly with the system.